And he came back, and he was like looking.
He was out at 3 o'clock in the morning.
And he came back again, like 3 or 4 times.
Security
spotlighting everything all around the boat.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yeah, he thought for sure I was smuggling. Then we became friends.
Yeah.
Isn't that great? He was doing his job, Chris, right?
Huh?
He was doing his job.
Trying to bust me?
Well, yeah, he was doing his job.
Yeah.
You don't want smugglers coming out around here.
Oh shit.
All that work for that Sabiki and the legs came off.
That's what I wanted, is a lead. Is the one out. So this is, look at this guy's line. This is what was on my prop, Lauralee.
Jeez, that was on your prop? Wow.
Well, I had to pull this up.
So that's the one that threw it out with the drone?
Yeah.
So that's really interesting, that drone issue, because a drone on a fishing line, how the boat's supposed to navigate that?
Yeah, or it could crap. Yeah, he flew it like, it was like 200 yards out there.
Right, and then you can't cast that. Normally a big cast is how far?
If you're lucky, I don't know, some of those guys are pretty talented, but I wouldn't imagine more than
the average
50 yards, right?
Yeah, exactly. So interesting too. Well, you handled it, even though it could have broke a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's a $400 freaking
mistake. $400 mistake from a drone fisher line being able to be thrown out way past. This is where they throw it out from, the dock here, and then they cast it out. But if you have a boat traveling, it's 200 yards out because it's drone. Here you get tangled, and it costed Chris $400 to get that tanglement out of his prop so he can be fishing out here today again. Anyway, life is awesome. Bye for now. So this is what you navigate. See those buoys? They're green and red.
3 to 4 feet.
And you stay in between the two of them, and that's like a canal out of any port. There's a canal right on the right of the green ones, on the left of the red ones, and that's the, you know, what side. Starboard is right side, and just lost my thought. You tell me. Anyway, I do know though. Starboard and not aft, that's in the back. I can't believe I can't remember it. Anyway, it's all good. Bye-bye for now. There's a marine wall out there. I just thought I'd let you know. The marine wall comes in. And the sky is blue right now. We're looking out over Avila Beach on Port San Luis, and getting some bait to get some bigger fish. And it's just a stellar day out here. Just beautiful. And we're going to be back at home going to a bank appointment at 1:45 this afternoon. So we have a long day when you're fishing. Bye for now.